Hi guys, it's Shenanigans. Today I'll be testing out the Dr. P.H. Martin's Iridescent Calligraphy inks. This is the 12 color set. I will also be testing out this calligraphy pen. I just got it on Amazon, I'll leave the link below. It comes with 9 different nib styles and they're all interchangeable. Let's just jump right into the video.
I just picked out one of the nibs from the calligraphy pen set that I have. I don't really know anything that's different about each nib, but I've seen this style the most, so that's why I'm picking it to start out with. So I'm gonna get some paper out and just swatch out all these colors for you at trying to use this nib. Alright guys, so this is my first time using calligraphy inks, and my only real experience is seeing a few people use these on YouTube, so I'm just gonna dive right in and guess and sort of try my best with these. But I still want to show you all of the colors, so I'm gonna open these guys up and sort of see what this is all about. So it looks like there's just a little dropper bottle. Just gonna try and open this up. Okay. Alright. So it opens and yep. It is just a little dropper with ink inside. So I assume I can just dip my pen in here, I guess. Like, maybe we try it over the paper in case it spills so I don't have to ruin my desk. So if I do this, alright, I think that worked. So let's see if I can figure out how to write with these. Oh, got a nice glob of ink down. It's a beautiful pink color. Let's see if I put too much down, I can kind of move it. What if I thin lines, thick lines? I don't have enough ink for that to work really well. Okay. Okay, it's interesting. It's interesting. Let's try another color. Alright guys, so here's a swatch of all of the colors. They are really accurate to the exact color in the bottle, except for this gold one that turned out a little more brown. Let me just show you, it's like real separated, like, it's pretty bad. So I'm gonna shake this up and try and get this to blend together a bit more so it looks less brown and more gold, and I'll try this again on our next set of paper. In the calligraphy pen set I have, it came with 9 different nibs, so I've already used this first one. The second one looks really similar to the first one, it's just gold instead of silver. So I'm going to try this next one, and I just want to test out how these different nibs work with this ink. So I'm just going to pick a couple more colors to test on this black paper. I really want to pick colors that didn't show up too well on the white paper, so I think first I'm going to start with our Iridescent White. Oh, I definitely feel like I'm using this one wrong. Alright, I should probably do some more research on how to use this, cause that just looks like a blob. cool. So let's just switch to a different nib so I feel better about myself. Ooh. Probably putting too much ink down. Maybe that's it. Or maybe this nib isn't in the whole way. Cool. Okay. Alright. That's nice. It's gonna get ink everywhere. Okay. Alright. What is happening? Alright. I'm just going with that white color. Cursed me. So I'm gonna switch to a new nib. And this yellow color. So yeah, these are just my first swatches of figuring out how all of these colors work and seeing how beautiful these iridescent shades are. So, oh, they shimmer so much, and it's beautiful. So I'm definitely gonna have to keep trying out these nibs. I know a couple of them will not be coming back to because I don't like it. I just don't. And it's fine because I have so many other nibs to try. So I'm happy using those. I really like this one, the one that I used for the yellow. It's a nice nib, gives a nice consistent line, holds a lot of ink. A+. Good job, nib. My overall review as far as this calligraphy pen goes, it's just on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. I'll leave a link below. I don't really remember the price of it, but it's alright. Like, it's a nice blue color. It's relatively sturdy, but it's really light. And the nibs that come in it, they don't all seem to fit in this top part terribly well. So that's really frustrating because I think that's why I didn't like this one nib, is because it kept falling out. And how am I supposed to use it if it doesn't stay in the pen, right? So I think it's a good pen to start out with, and I would definitely say getting better quality inks on a pen, in my personal opinion, makes more sense because I can use other things with these inks like a paintbrush to make them work. Alright guys, so my thoughts overall, I really like these inks. The calligraphy pen is okay. I like testing out all the different nib styles, and I definitely have a few favorites that I want to try out more in the future. I like how these colors show up on both white and black paper, and I'm just using some basic cardstock. So yeah, I definitely recommend the Dr. P.H. Martin's iridescent colors. I recommend this calligraphy pen to start out with, but I wouldn't say it's the best quality, but it's a good starter pen. So yeah, I'll be testing these out more in the future. I hope you guys liked the video. Please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!